Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to remap keyboard keys Windows 11. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Here are general instructions on how you might attempt. So the first step would be, go ahead and launch KeyTweak. Right click on the KeyTweak shortcut or executable file and choose Run as Administrator to ensure proper access. In the KeyTweak interface, identify the keys on the keyboard that you want to remap. Now, click on the key you want to remap and then choose the key you want to assign it from the list of the drop-down menu. Click on the Remap Key button or similar to apply the changes, then hit Apply. Now, some changes made by KeyTweak may require a system restart to take effect. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.